quicker, flatter ball. Quite beautiful. He has suddenly produced a ball entirely different from the others he's bowled, and it has ripped back. Doesn't just...
Got him. He had no idea, did he? He's going to let it go. Pitched it right. It's clean bowled Harris. It's superb bowling. Harris is out for a duck.
Well. That's as good a flipper as you'll ever see. We've seen a few of those on the Ashes too. Some so far against New Zealand, but none better than that, I'm
He was the unfinished product when he first played.
But they also need support from the selectors.
Amazing. Andrew Strauss looking to pad the ball away. It's the pad. Just look at this.
Oh, this spin's big, massive. Middle stump, behind his legs.
got him! That's well bowled, Shane Warne. What a wicket that is. He's really teed him up.
Well, he really does have a bogey with this Test century. He was playing well enough to get a Test century today. That one spun a long way. Shane Warne's variety, apart from the stock leg spinner, flipper.
First ball. I would have to say that that is the perfect leg spin delivery, curving, and when you produce it first ball, I can understand the batsman being not only surprised but very...